Yeah, hello again. I've put a short video together on how to change the SCV or the suction control valve on your Navara or Frontier. I've also come up with a modified bolt to make the job much easier. Easier access if you take that 10mm bolt out and move the dipstick out of the way. So I use the 1/4" drive and I use this extension here with the 5mm hex bit in the end. And here's the two bolts, two hex head bolts that came out. And then what I've done is I've made some extended head bolts. So these are 65mm M6s, and then I welded the nut on to give the same thread length. And this makes it a lot easier to firstly remove it, but also to put it back in again. So I'm getting ready to put this back in the car. So I've put the gasket on there and I've put the O-ring on there and I've smeared some grease on there just to hold it all in place.